Hello everybody, just a quickie to introduce people to my latest acquirement. This is a Cercidophyllum japonicum, I hope I've said that right, or otherwise known as a Katsura tree. I was inspired to purchase this after having seen someone growing one as a bonsai on Instagram, and it looked lovely, a lovely looking tree. I love the shape of the leaves. Slightly reminiscent of the lime, but it's definitely a sort of a heart-shaped leaf. It goes a gorgeous orange and red colour in autumn, or in the fall if you prefer. And I thought I'd like to grow one of these. It's also apparently called and I'm not going to try and say the German word, partly because I won't pronounce it properly and partly because I've forgotten it, but it's the gingerbread tree, because the leaves smell of burnt sugar and gingerbread when they turn to their autumn colours. So yeah, quite looking forward to that. So having established that I'm not going to be able to find something quite this exotic locally, I decided to go on that eBay, and this is what I purchased for a grand total of £7.99. It's a healthy looking tree, it's fine, it came well packaged, but it's very tall and very skinny, and apart from this little kink here, I'm very straight, so not an ideal specimen for a bonsai. But I'm not going to do anything with it now. It's a bit too late in the season. It's the end of September here in the UK. We've probably got another few weeks of good weather until about the middle of October, and then things start to go rapidly downhill from there in my parts. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip pot it into this slightly larger pot for the rest of this season, and then look at what we can do with it next year. Okay, so I'm using my normal mix, but with a little bit more organic material mixed in, because I want the tree to grow. I'm not going to look at working the roots on this at all. I've just simply put a layer of compost in the bottom, and that will allow the tree to sit quite nicely in there, like so. And then I'm just going to backfill around it. I really don't want to disturb it too much this side of winter. This will just give it a little bit of room to expand and spread throughout this last bit of autumn. It wants to put down some roots as the sugars go down from the leaves as they turn. Nice simple job. But and then in the spring I will be looking at cutting this tree back, probably quite hard. You know, it's far too tall and out of proportion for, you know, too tall, too skinny. So I'm probably looking, maybe even cutting it back as far as here, where I can see there are some old leaf nodes, and seeing if I can get it to resprout from this area. So yeah, just going to let it do its thing for the rest of this summer. Enjoy the autumn colour and enjoy the scent, hopefully. And this will be a new playlist for a new tree to work on in the new year. So okay, going to go about a good drink to wash out all the dust from the soil. Really get it settled in. That's the tree set up for spring, really. Thank you all for taking time to watch in these strange times. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe.